Which annotation marks a class's REST API? The annotation is at REST controller. How to handle the exceptions that occur in a controller class? In one single controller class. In the controller class, add a method that is annotated with @exception_handler. Pass the exception that you want to handle within this annotation. So this behaves like a catch. In Java, you have a try and a catch. Whenever an exception occurs in the try block, automatically it will enter into the catch block. Same way, whenever an exception occurs in the controller class, automatically it should enter into a method that is annotated with @exception_handler, within which we will be catching the appropriate exception. How to handle all the exceptions that occur in REST API? That is, I want to have a global exception handler. Create a class that is annotated with @controller_advice to handle the exception. Within this class, you will be having many methods that are annotated with @exception_handler. Each method handling a specific exception. While auto wiring, if two beans of same type exist, what will Spring do? We have seen the example already. In that case, I told if two beans of the same type exist, if I want to choose a particular bean, we have used @qualifier. Assume that I forgot to add @qualifier. What will happen? It throws no unique bean definition exception.